Good morning and welcome to a Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday before New Year's and check it out. This is the first snow we've seen this year and it's really not coming down that hard. But I am going to run to the dump and test out our new snow tires. So just to see how they go. Keisha, depending on how she feels, she might be going to hang out with some friends today. So I want to make sure that the tires are all set and good and work well in the snow for her. So I'm going to take this trash out right here and let's bring her on out. Here we go, people. Here we go. It's just snow. Tires seem to work good. Braking is good. Yeah, braking's actually pretty good. I mean, it's kind of a slippery snow. I've got to turn up here so you'll see, but I'm headed to the dump and got a little stuff on my windshield, but if I like step on it, like I'm slamming on the brake there, and it did stop fine. Let's try a corner here. Step on it around the corner. I get a little slippage, but I mean it's also kind of slippery too. So, and I have traction control off, as you can see. So I mean it does pretty good. If I'm on this hill here and I slow right down to a stop, and then I just step on it, I would peel out normally. But if I just kind of ease into it, it takes off in a straight line pretty good. So, I mean, you're not going to do any 0 to 60s in them, but in all seasons, I wouldn't go anywhere. So, no, I'm happy with them. I don't know, I don't remember how my all seasons were, so I can't really give a comparison as to those. But anyway, I'm going to get to the dump, which is right up ahead here. I'm going to unload the trash and go back home. But, I mean, as long as you're driving careful with these, I mean, I'm not too worried. So, as long as, take it easy. So, anyway, I'm at the dump. I'm going to unload this stuff and then go back and start work. There it is. Closed today. Are you kidding me? But it's Tuesday and I have to take the trash. I drove all this way for nothing, I guess, folks, but not nothing. I tested out the tires. I mean, if you take it slow, it drives almost like you're driving on pavement, which is it's pretty cool. But then again, I love driving in the snow, so it doesn't stress me out because I know that the snow tires they'll do just fine. We'll give them a test on a hill sometime, but anyway, I'm headed back home now that the dump was closed. Why? It's just a little snow. People, come on. I'm back home and it's dark. Let me flick on a light. Look at a flick at a light. I am working currently, and I just remembered that I have a gift that Keisha got me. I need something to write with, and I was like, I have a pen she got me. Let me go grab it. Check it out. I love these pens. It's by Sharpie, but it doesn't bleed through, and you can refill the ink in it, and it's aluminum, or stainless steel, I'm sorry. Stainless steel. Read, Douglas. Anyway, I'm going to open that up and write a check with it. Sweet! Hey, guys! So I'm just working here. It's like 2:40 in the afternoon, and update on the snow, it's pretty much stopped. We didn't get a ton. There's always so much hype around snow, and it's just like... Anyway, still have our tree up. Check that out, it's pretty. I know I've showed the tree like a gazillion times in the vlog, but it's just because it's pretty. And it's our first tree. And I forgot to water it for the longest time, so it's dry. But I did water it, so it should not be dry now. And, okay. You know, that's that. So I'm just plugging through work and trying to stay alive. Now, nothing new. It's pretty boring today. But I'm enjoying it. It's a nice break from being crazy busy. We are heading... Are you done in the bedroom, baby?
Yes.
Bloop. We are heading out to go to Keisha's family's house to celebrate her little bro's birthday. So, yeah. We're going to head over there.
It works so well.
What are you doing?
I keep taking it cold
You-
and then I just don't get one.
Hi, Squeaky.
Because I take it right away.
Hi, Squeaky.
Kiki, you could take time out.
Do you?
We have
Are you playing on the table?
I guess that wouldn't matter, would it?
You're the cutest squeakers.
That's what we'll do.
So I'm trying a world famous Emerson Nugget.
Emery's.
Emery's.
Birthday ever.
At all. All of my... Did anyone...
It tastes like
Hey guys, and
Hi.
I'm having frosting.
Well, I hated when...
hers is healthier. Well, it tastes like real chicken.
Well, pretty much finished like old English people. Very late at night.
Babe, do you like Phineas and Ferb?
I hate it.
You hate it? It's your favorite kind of animation?
Hey, don't forget your charger.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Shield now,
Show the vlog your shield. Yeah, your hair looks like Captain America.
It does?
Yeah.
You can't put the...
Can I look in the mirror and see?
Yeah, do you want Becca to help you?
So cute.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Malachi. Happy birthday to you.
Wait patiently, please, Max. Just a second, mighty boy.
A happy birthday to you and the best year of it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
My phone won't let me take a picture.
Okay, ready?
So many photos to delete.
Good job.
Happy birthday to you and the best year you've
Back home. I don't think you're in it.
Okay.
Keisha's eating her grapes. You want to be in it? She's eating her grapes. See? Grapes. She's still not feeling fully well, so... I don't know how much of my chest you can see. Anyway, we're home from her parents, and it's 1 in the morning. I finished editing, well, Tuesday's vlog. No, Monday's vlog. I don't know. It's exporting now. But I am completely dead. So I'm going to go to sleep now. And... yeah, I hope you guys had a great day. A wonderful day. And thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting this channel and watching our lives. We enjoy sharing it with you. So, hopefully once Keisha's better, you'll see her in the vlogs more. But until then, have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.